Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an incredible organizational tool that has become a game changer for busy households, the Asia House Acrylic Magnetic Fridge Calendar. This isn't just any calendar, it's the best clear acrylic whiteboard fridge calendar on the market. Let's explore what makes it stand out and how it can simplify your life. At a size of 15 inches by 17 inches, this vertical fridge calendar provides a spacious layout for all your planning needs. The clear acrylic design allows you to easily see your schedules and notes without any distractions. The monthly grid layout is perfect for tracking appointments, meal planning, and important dates, while the weekly section offers a dedicated space to jot down daily tasks and reminders. One of the standout features of this calendar is its magnetic backing. It securely attaches to your refrigerator, ensuring it stays in place without sliding or scratching the surface. This means you can access your calendar easily, making it a convenient addition to your home or office. The gold magnets not only enhance functionality but also add a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. What's even better is the dry erase capability. The surface is easy to wipe clean, allowing you to update your plans with minimal effort. No more messy paper calendars or sticky notes cluttering your fridge. The high-quality acrylic material is resistant to stains and smudges, ensuring that your calendar looks great month after month. Whether you're coordinating family schedules, planning meals, or organizing events, this calendar is designed to simplify your life. It's perfect for families, busy professionals, and anyone who wants to keep track of their commitments in an aesthetically pleasing way. The versatility of the Asia House Acrylic Calendar makes it suitable for various settings, be it your home, office, or classroom. It's not just a calendar, it's a comprehensive family organizer. You can even use it for meal prep by writing down weekly menus or grocery lists right on the board. In conclusion, if you're looking for a functional yet stylish solution to keep your life organized, the Asia House Acrylic Magnetic Fridge Calendar is an excellent choice. Its clear design, robust features, and ease of use make it the best clear acrylic whiteboard fridge calendar available today. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Share your thoughts or experiences with fridge calendars in the comments below. Until next time, stay organized and keep critiquing.